Hello, today's our topic of discussion is why there is necessity for today's Indian to become science oriented more than religious oriented. Now, we have, if you analyze the history of our India, we will come to notice that India is called as land of religion, land of saints and sages, because three major religions, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, and four religions, Sikhism, all these were their founders were born in India only, and from here only it was spread. And in India, if you see, people are more inclined towards religiousness more than towards scientific temper. But this religious orientation is becoming fanatic and narrow-minded. It has got a very violent form. So now the need of the hour today's hour is that Indians must become more inclined towards scientific temper rather than towards religious orientation. I will discuss in today's video. It is today what is happening in India. Everywhere we see whole Indian society is divided into different divisions based on religion. Many group of people belonging to some particular religion is having severe hatred and jealousy of another communal group. Each religious group is blaming other communal group as their arch enemy, and in their own published newspapers, these religious leaders are passing critical comments on others, and they speak through their hate speeches, ill and immoral things about other religion, giving rise to fanaticism, and this bursts into communal riots, killing lakhs of common masses and destroying so prizeful national and social property. Why so fanatic havoc is existing in India even today in robotic age? This is the question. Where other countries in world are struggling to become scientifically and technologically advanced, why we are lagging behind in this narrow-minded religious disputes? If maximum of our Indians became science-oriented, forgetting all communal differences and work unitedly, cooperating with each other, then we can bring many reformative scientific revolution in our country also. And this is the only need of today's time. If we are patriotic and nationalists by mind, word and deed, and we have abundant wholesome love for our country, and if we put national interest to the first priority, then we have to awaken the Indians in this matter. Science has given us sound mind, sound body, and varied healthy facilities. It had made our life much comfortable and easygoing. There is not a single sector in which science has not left its lasting influence. That it may be communication, food, clothing, shelter, education, which are the basic necessities of today's Indian. And if our thoughts and deeds are science oriented, then we will employ the scientific temper everywhere, and nobody will oppose us or will violently attack us in any dispute. Thus our country will excel in all round progress and become more mature, developed and advanced in all sections. Then it may be economic, social, defense, culture and technology in whole world. Thus, if maximum Indian youths are science prone or get scientific oriented, then India can become superpower in a decade or two. Thank you.